9 lives. There are 3 types of people in the world: folders, scrunchers, and shredders.
Spider cat, does whatever a spider cat can.
I used to wonder why I kept getting told no climbing in the cactus garden. Now I get the point.
Who says you can't talk with your mouth full? See this bouncing thing? It has absolutely nothing to do with this clip. A feline-powered device that helps your baby get to sleep.
Is that new mosquito and tadpole flavoured cat chow?
Yeah, it tastes terrible.
Shove over then and let me at it.